Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update Element Messenger step by step. Keeping Element Messenger up to date helps you get the latest features, security improvements, bug fixes, and performance enhancements. So let's get started. First, determine which version of Element Messenger you're using. If you're on a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer, open the desktop application. If you're using an Android phone or iPhone, you'll update the app through your device's app store. For desktop users, open Element Messenger and check the Help, About, or Settings menu for an available update option. If automatic updates aren't enabled, visit the official Element website and download the latest version for your operating system, then install it over your existing installation. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Element Messenger, and tap Update if the button is available. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, scroll to Available Updates, and update Element Messenger if it's listed. Once the update is installed, restart the application if needed and sign in to your Matrix account. Your chats, rooms, and account settings should remain available after the update, although encrypted sessions may occasionally require verification on a new device. Finally, check the app version in the About section to confirm you're running the latest release. Regularly updating the app helps ensure the best performance, compatibility, and security. And that's it. You now know how to update Element Messenger on your computer or mobile device and keep your Matrix experience running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Element Messenger account step by step. Verifying your account and your sessions helps protect your encrypted conversations and confirms that